coffee steam in the morning air. Empty streets, but I don't care. Lost in thoughts I'll never say. Slowly I'm drifting away. Let the silence hold my pain. Wash it off like gentle rain. Every beat just fades to gray as I drift so far away. Clouds roll by, the sky turns blue. Every shade reminds me of you. In this calm, I'll find my way, dreaming slow through another day. Let the silence hold my pain. Wash it off like gentle rain. Every beat just fades to gray as I drift so far away. Nothing left, just peace inside. In this flow I'll softly hide.